What's up folks, Make Easy here, and I just got the Oakley Meta glasses. Let's unbox them and check it out together. I got the HSTN's black frames with clear to amethyst transition lenses. Here's the charging case. They come already charged, ready to go. It comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth and instruction manuals. It doesn't come with any charging cables. Alright, let's take a look at the glasses. Remove the plastic tabs so it can actually connect to the charging case. They fit really snug in the case so you don't pull them out by the arms. Here's a quick look at the video quality and how the purple lens looks on the face. Stay tuned for a full review of the Oakley Meta glasses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more Make Easy tech tips and tricks.